Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My name is MD Parvez Faisal. My ID number is 251083377176. Today I will talk about the role and importance of statistics in AI or artificial intelligence and big data. We hear a lot about AI or artificial intelligence and big data, but today we will see how statistics makes them work. What is statistics? Statistics is the science of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data. It provides the tools and methods needed to make sense of complex information, identify patterns, and draw meaningful conclusions from raw numbers and observations. As a foundational discipline, statistics enables professionals to understand data patterns, quantify uncertainty, and make informed evidence-based decisions. It forms the mathematical backbone of modern data science, AI, and big data analysis. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the simulation of a human intelligence process by machines, especially computer systems. AI enables machines to perform tasks that typically require human cognition, such as understanding language, recognition patterns, and making decisions based on data. Key components of AI: learning, acquiring knowledge from data and experience; reasoning, drawing logical conclusions from information; problem solving, finding optimal solutions to complex challenges. What is big data? Big data refers to extremely largest data sets that cannot be managed or analyzed using traditional data processing tools. These data sets requires advanced methods for storage, processing, and analysis to extract meaningful insights. Big data is generated from diverse sources including social media, sensors, transactions, and connected devices, growing exceptionally every second. Key characteristics: volume, massive scale of data generated daily; velocity, high speed at which data is produced; variety, diverse formats; structured and unstructured; veracity, accuracy, and trustworthiness. Role of statistics in AI and big data. Statistics provides that mathematical foundation for data interpretation and model building in AI and big data. It enables pattern recognition, accurate prediction, and data-driven decision making. By applying statistical methods, organizations can manage complexity and extract meaningful insights from massive datasets. Pattern recognition and prediction. Statistical algorithms power machine learning models that identify patterns, classify data, and forecast outcomes, enabling AI systems to learn and improve continuously. Big data insight extraction. Statistical techniques help filter noise, detect anomalies, and extract actionable insights from vast, complex big data environments with speed and accuracy. Real life application. Personalized recommendation and fraud detection. Statistical models power personalized recommendation engines in streaming and e-commerce, while anomaly detection algorithms identify fraudulent transactions in real time across banking and finance. Predictive maintenance and healthcare diagnostics. AI-driven predictive maintenance reduces equipment downtime in manufacturing, while statistical diagnostics enable early disease detection and personalized treatment planning in modern healthcare. Statistical techniques used in AI and big data. Probability, modeling uncertainty and outcomes. Probability theory enables AI systems to quantify uncertainty, make predictions, and reason about the likelihood of events in complex datasets. Hypothesis testing, validating assumptions from data. Hypothesis testing provides a structured method to confirm or reject statistical claims, ensuring AI models are built on sound, evidence-based foundations. Regression analysis, predicting relationships between variables. Regression models identify and measure how input variables influence outcomes, forming the backbone of predictive analytics in AI. Sampling, efficiently analyzing subsets of large datasets. Sampling techniques allow AI and big data system to draw meaningful insights from manageable portions of massive data collections. Benefits of statistics in AI and big data. Statistics empowers AI and big data initiatives by enabling smarter decisions, more accurate predictions, and efficient handling of complex datasets, ultimately reducing risk and driving better outcomes. Better decision making, data driven and evidence based choices, accurate prediction, improved forecasting and trend analysis, efficient data analysis, handling large data sets effectively, risk reduction, identifying potential problems early. Challenges and limitations. While statistics, AI, and big data offer immense potential, several challenges must be addressed to ensure reliable, ethical, and effective outcomes in real world applications. Data quality issues, incomplete or noisy data affecting results, privacy concerns, ethical handling of sensitive information, bias in data, risks of skewed and unrepresentative datasets, large data processing complexity. Future scope of AI and big data. The convergence of statistics, AI, and big data is shaping a transformative future. Enhanced decision support system will empower business with smarter analytics, while predictive AI systems will anticipate outcomes with greater accuracy than ever before. Healthcare innovation will enable personalized medicine and advanced diagnostics, revolutionizing patient care. Automation and robots will leverage statistical intelligence to build smarter, more autonomous systems across industries. Smart analytics. Smart business analytics will deliver enhanced decision support systems, enabling data driven strategies and real time insights for organizations worldwide. Statistics is the foundation of AI and big data. AI uses statistical methods to learn from data and make prediction. Big data relies on statistics to extract valuable insights. Statistics is the bridge that connects data with intelligence. Thank you.